To get started with drop shipping on Dhgate, begin by visiting the website, which offers China wholesale products online shopping from China suppliers. Once on the site, you'll notice a search bar, sign in and sign up options, as well as sections for recently viewed items, favorites, and your shopping cart. To proceed, register for a Dhgate account, which will enable you to source products for your store. Utilize the VIP sourcing service and establish contact with a supplier, typically a China-based provider. After receiving your product, list it on your page and create advertisements to market it. Before making a purchase, ensure the supplier is reliable and avoid buying counterfeit or branded goods. Verify the supplier's credibility to guarantee a smooth transaction. By following these steps, you can successfully drop ship with Dhgate and expand your online store's offerings.